Hey, welcome to another one on Big Red's Money Pit Garage. I am Big Red because I'm red and big. So, working on the 93 today. The other day in traffic, temp got up a little warm. Not anything drastic, but enough that I was like, that's not normal. None of my other trucks do. I know these 6.5s are known for running a little warm, and I don't like that. So, did some research, and a Duramax fan, 11 blade, I think it's 21 inches instead of 20 inches, fits the 6.5s perfectly fine, as long as you got good motor mounts and the motor's where it's supposed to be. So, come with me. Parts just arrived today. We're gonna go out there after work today. I got a little bit of time. We can install it and see if it fits or not. See what other parts we need to buy, and hopefully make a little upgrade on the truck. So please like and subscribe and stay tuned. This will be a quick one, but a good one. Okay, don't really have my tripod right now, so we'll see how well this works. But we're gonna remove this upper fan shroud. I took this 10 out already. This one's already, the threads are no good, so I'm not putting that one back in other than to hold it in place. There's two 10s down here, this cable, and then two on the other side. And then the fan and the clutch there just bolt on to the pulley. So we will replace both, leaving the belt on for now. I do want to replace an idler and stuff later. Hopefully I got the right size wrench. Get you in on there. And again, I'm sorry about not having my tripod. It's over at my buddy's house. It's actually over at Mike from Michael's Money Pit Garage. I left it there in the back of my truck that's over there for some dash work that we're doing. Hopefully we'll have a video coming out soon on that. But I wanted to do the Duramax fan and severe duty clutch upgrade because why not? And this one was getting a little loose there. That fan clutch wasn't engaging and the temp was getting a little warm. Not overheating, but just warmer than I would like. So let me get this fan shroud off and show you what we got. Well, I think she needs a new radiator. So I got the fan shroud off, and then you can see a bunch of green, and looks like a repaired leak over all of that. Hopefully you can see it. If not, trust me, it's there. But back to the project at hand here. So there's 4 bolts or 4 nuts down there. You can see them. So I've broke them all loose. I'm just going to go ahead and take them all off. And this and the fan clutch should all come out. And the new one will go in. Okay, I've got all 4 of those nuts off of there now. So I don't know if there's anything else or if it just comes off. My luck, I'm gonna pop it right into the radiator. Good thing I didn't. Just fell right off. Okay, let's walk over here to my Alright, now it's time to go get the new parts. On the way to the new parts, I figure you might want to see what's in here. Kind of hard to see with the, that's a weird pulley, to see everything, but still in the box. Fan clutch. Come on me. There it is. And this should be, I'm gonna get that kit cut open, but that should be our Duramax fan. It should just bolt up right here on these 4. So what I'll do is, if it works out like I'm thinking it will, I'll list the part numbers in the description for y'all. But they are available out there on the internet if you search for them, but I will list them if I can. All right, let me go get something to cut this open, and let's see if it fits. There's the new fan and fan clutch. And look at that. It even says front. So I know which way goes towards the front. And it looks like she's gonna fit. New hardware to install. Let me get those installed and then see if this fits in the fan shroud. And I almost made a mistake there. So the front should probably go towards the front, which is down, because this goes towards the back. I was just testing if y'all were paying attention. And 2.5 of you caught that. The others, making the same mistake I did. So, bolt. That. Now some of you might be asking, why am I not using the existing hardware off the other one? Because I'm lazy, and this was already in the box, and it's new. And if this doesn't work, I've got my other one ready to put back on. Although, if I don't plan on driving it anytime soon, I may look at getting a new radiator for that thing. It's not wet now, and it's been driving, but I think at some point it was. So I don't know, maybe they put some of that head gasket stuff in there to stop it. All right, let me go tighten these up. Got the wrenches out in the front of the truck, and then we'll see if that goes on. So I've just got it sitting here on the core support. Not a lot to watch. I'm just gonna sit here and slowly do this because I don't want to go get my sockets, although I really should. But let me get these buttoned up and then get this mounted on there, and we'll see how she fits, you guys. Wish me luck. And just like that, she's in. It's on there. Let me go get those nuts started, get them all tightened up, and then see if she's hitting. Might be hitting a little bit there. Already can tell. Yep. I might have to try. Let me get everything tightened up before I drop it into the radiator. And then we'll see how she fits. Well, you can hear it rubbing a little bit, just a smidge. That might self-clearance itself here in a couple of hours, minutes, whatever. We'll see how she runs, but I'll run it like that for now. I may take a little bit of sandpaper and scrape a little bit off the inside of that fan shroud. I got plenty of room there. So thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next one. Catch you later.